Good day, everybody. Brian here from quantlabs.net. Just wanted to bring everybody up to date. Today is December 14th. All right, so let's talk about where we're at with good old crypto. Here it is. Here's the performance. We see a decline here, which is quite different from most pullbacks. Here we peaked at this amount, 7,100. Now we're down to 6,754. So it's a bit of a drop, and it could continue to drop off because usually we'll get a pullback recovery and up it goes. But here you can see that downward pressure. Again, when you look at the likes of Bitcoin or Ethereum, it might be just as good. Daily chart, you can see that pull back a little bit. And all year I sat here and said, oh yeah, crypto's all you need. All you need is crypto. So that clearly, so here's a daily chart of Bitcoin. You can see that performance. Now, if Bitcoin and overall crypto was diverse and had enough momentum and price with the altcoins to sort of replenish the losses of both, let's say, Ethereum and Bitcoin, I wouldn't be doing what I'm doing here. So let's get to what I'm actually talking about. So here, I just sent this out and posted to various social media. So you know that I used MotiveWave here. As you can see, MotiveWave on even Linux connects into really good crypto brokers as well as other mainstream brokers. I put up a video to show, yes, this can be done to interface with the interactive brokers. Some would say horrible trader workstation or TWS. I've also put up videos on showing you that you can hook it up, connected to, I won't say the best Forex broker, but you know, the demand's there and people want it, so I'm going to deliver that. All done in one platform. Very few platforms can do that, including the real cryptocurrency exchanges like Kraken. So let's go back to what we're talking about here. So I've shown you the Bitcoin. Crypto's kind of been struggling for the last month. I think that's going to be an ongoing battle, or maybe it will go into a range bound, and that's going to be tough to grow anything out of. So we got to diversify. So what I'm doing is I'm going to have 3 courses next month in 2022, January 2022. I do feel January 22 is going to be a very, very uncertain year. You cannot rely on one asset class over another. I think we'll have to be able to move between different asset classes. And part of that is, let me just first talk about cryptocurrency here. So cryptocurrency, I still think, is the #1 asset class out there to get returns, and really big returns. I've shown that in my portfolio here. As you can see, I've doubled it in a little bit of time, but here we're going into a downslide, which is where I'm like, okay, does that mean we're kind of going here and then another 6 months, 7 months of just really no growth? That's where the diversification comes in. So I'm sure you would probably agree to that. But I still, as I said, the #1 asset class is crypto, without a doubt. So I've got my cryptocurrency course out there. You want to learn it, fine, do it, take advantage of it. It's up now. The faster, the sooner you get on that course, the better, and the more you benefit from it, which is really what it's all about. So we have that. Secondly, I know very popular demand for it is crypto trading bots, or any trading bot in Python, namely, and people want that. I already got this course up available here. So again, let me just show you the store. So as I said, we've got our cryptocurrency course right here. I'm not sure on the pricing yet, but I'm going to be doing the webinar tomorrow night, Wednesday, December 15th, on this. Talk about it, get the general feel, what people are wanting to really zero in on. But generally, this course exists, so people can start learning now. The other can be said the same for the Python trading bot course in Python. It's more intense, obviously. It's programming. It covers a lot of modules here. So the sooner you get your leg up on it, the faster it is. Because here's how it will work. if I'm doing 3 courses in parallel, 1 being the cryptocurrency, 2 the Python bot building, pick one, do all of them depending upon your ability to consume this stuff. But I will be dedicating January 3 nights a week to cover these 2 courses, and these 2 courses will be more Q&A, question and answer. This is not like where I'm going to teach you stuff. It's to cover what's already there, and I'm going to segregate out, like I've already done with a 4-week course for the crypto, and then do the same thing with the Python for next month. Okay, January. That's the plan. But there's also other people out there that just want to trade in interactive brokers, maybe only want to trade only in Forex with something like Oanda. Now, if that's the case, I can combine these 2 because we're using the same software, MotiveWave, and the same tricks. So I can put out this kind of course where I can present something over a set of 4 weeks. If you got my PDF, you know about the tools that I've used that are at my disposal to take advantage of the analysis and again plug them into really solid platform like MotiveWave and take advantage of it. Why? Because again, MotiveWave talks to over 30 brokers and 30 crypto exchanges, which is, I don't know any other platform that does it and run on Linux at the same time. So there is that. So there is this set of options I'm going to put out there for next month, 3 times a week over January. And also I'm going to do the same thing what I do in January and do it for February as well. So tomorrow night I'm going to do an Ask Me Anything kind of session about this stuff. I've invited, oh God, thousands of people. If people show up, people show up. If they don't, they don't. I don't know. What can I do, right? So that's the plan of action. Now, what is the way I'm delivering this? As you know, I've been on Zoom. We've been Zoom bomb. Look it up. It's not a good experience for people attending these things. So no more Zoom. We've tested out YouTube streaming. We've tested out Twitch. It's glitchy using the software I'm using. But the one piece of technology out there that works is Telegram. You can live stream on it. And so tomorrow night it will be streamed in my group right here. You got to join here, Quant Labs, the group. Or the channel, sorry, on Telegram. So you get yourself up on Telegram, join this, and then be ready at 7 p.m. tomorrow night, Wednesday, December 15th. Just to confirm, that's the date, 7:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to attend this. We had a couple of people in last night's webinar. That webinar was quite revealing in terms of my view on crypto and will crypto basically fall apart, which it's already proving, and there seems to be no form of recovery for a variety of reasons, being central bank, digital currencies, the other being this Tether story, and on it goes. I put that out there on my bootcamp series as well, so I'll give you access to that as a bonus. This is right here to get access to those, and there's all from this year and probably going well into next year as well. So again, this is what we're doing again. So I'm going to repeat. These courses, they exist. The 2 courses, the cryptocurrency course currently exists, and we're going to do a session every week of the month in January and cover those topics, and we're going to repeat that again in February. We're going to do the same thing with the Python bot building course as well, Q&A only. So you got to learn this stuff as we approach that week. Cover those topics, got the questions on that, we will cover it. And lastly, if you're not into any of the crypto, you're not into any of the crypto bot building, the other one that is really meant for outside of crypto, more mainstream stuff, is either the Forex, CFD, or the interactive brokers, being, how can I envision it? Probably penny stock kind of stuff. Stocks under 15 bucks that are safe to participate in. I've done it before. I've done relatively okay with it. And the other option is down the road, futures and options, because I know options is very, very lucrative, just as good as crypto with the same sort of returns. So that's the plan. If you want to know more, jump on what I'm telling you about on that Telegram channel. And also at the same time, what I would recommend you do is get on our email list as well, quantlabs.net / contact, and then you can get more info as we roll this stuff out. But the point here being is you want to join ASAP. I do realize people are going to want to know the pricing. It will be pretty cheap for 3 courses over 2-3 months. I mean, it's going to be ridiculous. So, and you get Q&A 3 times a week over 4 weeks, and then another repeat in February. So that's pretty good, I think. And this will help diversify out of crypto. So, you know, take profit now. Strongly recommended it. I've already talked about it. And move it probably into anything like, let's say, Interactive Brokers as an account, because that's where the mainstream is, and that's where people want. So I'm going to stop that. So again, just join our quantlabs.net / contact if you want to know more. But you got to jump on this ASAP because we're starting in not too far away, a couple of weeks. Other than that, thanks for watching. Have a good day.